Metaphors in motion. Make your English sparkle. Hello, language lovers. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful aspect of the English language that allows you to express your ideas more creatively and effectively. That's right, we're talking about metaphors. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use metaphors effectively in your communication, and you will be creating vibrant images and powerful emotional resonances with your words. Before we dive into how to use them, let's understand what a metaphor is. A metaphor is a figure of speech where we describe something by referring to something else which is typically unrelated, but shares some common characteristics. For example, in the metaphor, life is a roller coaster. Life is not literally a roller coaster but shares the ups and downs associated with a roller coaster ride. Now that we understand what metaphors are, let's explore when to use them. Metaphors can be used in various situations like storytelling, speeches, and casual conversations. They help to make abstract concepts tangible, describe emotions vividly, and add interest or humor to a conversation. However, it's important not to overuse them, as this can confuse your listener or reader. Creating effective metaphors is all about finding a balance. The key is to make your metaphor vivid and relatable, but also not too complicated. The best metaphors often involve everyday objects or experiences. Try to think about the qualities of the concept you are trying to describe, and then brainstorm objects or experiences that share those qualities. Let's look at some examples of effective metaphors. The world is a stage. This is saying that life is like a play, and we are all actors playing our parts. Time is money. This implies that time is a valuable resource that should be spent wisely, just like money. Her voice is music to his ears. This suggests that her voice brings him as much pleasure as music does. So there you have it. With an understanding of what metaphors are, when to use them, and how to create them, you're well on your way to enhancing your English communication skills. Remember, like any aspect of language, metaphor usage takes practice. So don't be afraid to start weaving metaphors into your conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and soon, your English will sparkle with the magic of metaphors. As always, thank you for watching and happy learning.